नमस्कार, खुश रहो बेटियों। माय नेम इज़ डॉक्टर अस्मा खान, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ फैशन एंड इंटीरियर, फैकल्टी ऑफ एजुकेशन एंड मेथोडोलॉजी, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी. सेशन नेम 9 head block figure. Subject name fashion model drawing. We design first semester. This is fashion model drawing after the formation. Drawing the fashion figure does not have to be a challenging. In this tutorial, you will learn the simple method to create a professional cookies, one step at a time. I will broken up this tutorial in 3 sections. One is creating guidelines, second is drawing the cookie selection, and third is adding shape. What is fashion cookie? Cookie is a drawing of fashion model that you trace over the design clothing. You can also call it a fashion figure or template. Fashion cookie can be all different shapes, size, style. It all depends on the end use of your design and the demographic you are designing for. I am using different cookies throughout my career. Some were more stylized while other were super simple. If you want to take the pressure off creating your own cookie and start designing right away, check out the 9-head female figure cookie kit which I made it. What are the proportions of the fashion cookie? The standard cookie is elongated figure with the longer legs, longer head, thinner hips than the average woman. The cookie is 9 head tall from the top of the head to the ankles. The feet are excluded from the equation since they are vary in height depending on the type of shoes and heel height. The point of view is that a fashion model's length and simplicity from help to display clothing with the dramatic effect. The design intent of a garment exaggerated when the display on the elongated scale, and this elongated scale help to portray a fantasy in the clothing. Personally, I think this is another standard of the beauty is subject to change. The beauty standard has changed throughout the history and held with the beauty standard rights. Currently, there are more and more fashion models with the diverse body proportions. With that said, feel free to involve your cookies to be any shape and size. This tutorial will teach you how to create the standard cookie with the proportion taught in fashion college, but you can adjust the proportions later to best fit your design aesthetics and target demographics. This is that standard. 1 head for the head, 2 head for the neck and shoulder, 3 head for the chest part, 4 head for the high waist part, 5th head for the low waist part, for the thigh hip part, 6 head for thigh, 7 head for the knee, 8 head, and the leg is a 9 head. And foot is the another part for the footwears or the heels. What does 9 head theory means? The height and the width of the head is used as index for the dimension of the rest of the body. In this image, you can see how the body is broken up in 9 equal sections from the top of the head to the ankle bone. The feet are the excluded because they can vary in the height depending on the type of shoe and heel height. It is helpful to use the head as the point of measures instead of an actual measurement, because your paper size can vary from a tiny piece of paper to billboard. You can map out the size and proportion of your figure by drawing 9 head first. If you are working with the 8.5 and 11 pieces of paper, you can have each head be roughly 1 inches tall, but this measurement will change depending on your paper size. This is the 9 head theory which is I previously described. Thank you so much. This session is powered by 2.0 digital version Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University. This session is based on how the 9 head theories was described in 9 head. Thank you so much.